Hi, thanks again for attending my class. Today we're talking about the basics of music theory, mostly talking about reading and five-line staff, so the 5 lines that we write our notes on. The musical alphabet, starting on A, ending on G, goes over and over and over again. Remember thinking about it in a vertical fashion: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. One thing I actually forgot to mention, so hopefully you check this out, is that the reason we do that is because it's linked to pitch. When you crawl up the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, the pitch of your whatever instrument you're playing goes up. So as you crawl up the alphabet, pitch goes up, and as you go down the alphabet, pitch goes down. That's also the way it's set up on the staff as well. As the notes rise on the page, they go up, and the pitch goes up. Now when they go down on the page, the pitch goes down. And so it's always good to know which direction is up and down on your instrument. Remember, on a guitar, this way's up, this way's down. On a piano, that way is up, that way is down. So to the right and to the left. Cool. So and remember, we went over the treble clef, which is also known as the G clef. Remember, it has that nice little crosshair on the line that represents the note G. And the F clef is also known as the bass clef, has the 2 dots that are circling the line that represents the note F. We also have the other clefs. We have the alto clef and the tenor clef. Less common. Remember, they look like double C's, and they have a nice little arrow in the middle that needs to point out the note C for it. Specifically, it's the note middle C, which is the 4th C on a piano, and on your guitar, it's the 1st fret of your B string. Great. So we went over those, and we also really quickly went over all the different kinds of rhythmic notes, like a quarter note, a half note, a whole note, an 8th note, and a 16th note. Remember, quarter notes last for 1 beat, whole notes last for 4 beats, half notes last for 2 beats, 8th notes last for a half of a beat, 16th notes last for a quarter of a beat. And I think the best thing for you guys is just to hear them one more time. So let me lower the camera just a little bit so you guys get a good view of the metronome. And remember, quarter notes, right along to the click. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Half notes last for 2 beats. I'm still going to be counting to 4. I always count to 4 endlessly, but it's just about how many clicks each one gets. So a half note lasts for 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole notes last for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. And 8th notes last for half a beat. Remember, the half beats are the ones that are in the middle that we count as an and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And those are 8th notes. 16th notes, well, you got to put 4 beats in there, which we count 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and that's the idea. Those are all your different kinds of notes and all kind of key takeaway concepts from today. So I hope you enjoyed the class and maybe see some classes in the future. Thank you.